Hi everyone, it's Reagan at Gateway Toyota, and today I'm here with our shop foreman, Doug Dixon. So Doug, what do I do if I lost my key or need a key code?
Okay, so basically there are two types of keys that we use in our vehicles. One is the regular key that has the cut you put into the ignition and turn. The other one is your smart key. Essentially, both of them get programmed the same way. We need to hook up a tool, and because Toyota cares about your privacy and security, there's a special code that has to be generated through the website to program the key. Sounds more complicated than it is. Actually quite a simple process. So most of our vehicles have the ability to store up to 7 different key codes. On a smart key and the regular key, there's a transponder chip for the immobilizer system. And on the remote key with the keyless entry, there's a second area we have to program the keyless entry separately. If you're far away from us and can't make it into the dealership and you need a key code for a third party to cut a key, we're going to have to get the key code for the vehicle. But to do that, we're going to need proof of ownership of the vehicle, as well as identification to prove that you're the registered owner. That is not only Toyota's policy, that is by law as well. So once we have the new key, and we have at least one existing master key, we're able to go in to our computer, set up the system, get the passcode from Toyota, and register a new key for you. As simple as that.
Thanks, Doug. And if you have any questions about your key needs, please give us a call or come on down to the dealership.